Second edition, Pronunciation Pairs, An Introduction to the Sounds of English. This book is written by Anne Baker and Sharon Goldstein. Almost all students have difficulty with our consonant sound for today, and the way it affects the pronunciation of a preceding vowel. Learners commonly substitute this sound from their own language or replace this sound with our previous sound, which is the sound of L or the sound of U, or dropped it after a vowel. Do you have any idea now what is this consonant sound that I'm talking about? I guess so. If your answer is the sound of R, well, you're definitely correct. Hi there! This is Teacher Carol once again, and join me in our video as we talked about our new consonant sound. In today's video, we will talk about Unit 48, R sound as in right. Under this lesson, we will also talk about stress in long words. Okay guys, I mentioned a while ago that the sound of R is usually substituted with the sound of L as in L. Now, how are we going to solve this problem? Any idea? Great! That is correct. You have to learn how to produce the sound of R and not the sound of L when the word should use the R sound. But how are we going to do that? Very simple. Let's follow the simple steps here. Let's start with turn the tip of your tongue up. But remember, do not touch the roof of your mouth when the tip of your tongue. After that, make your lips a little bit round, like this. Okay, if you already have that kind of position, then you're ready now to produce the sound of R. And when you're producing the sound of R, remember that you have to use your voice. And if we use our voice, you already know that this sound is a voiced consonant sound. So guys, let's try to produce the sound now. Listen and repeat after me. R, R, R. Very good. You can also do like this. R, R, R. Good job. Now that you already know how to produce the sound, let's take a look at our word pairs. We have here group of words with the sound of L and group of words with the sound of R. A while ago, I told you that non-native speakers often confuse with these two sounds. Now, let's try to read the following word pairs and check if you can distinguish the sound of L to the sound of R. Let's start now. Long, wrong. Long, wrong. Long, wrong. Light, right. Light, right. Light, right. Pilot, pirate. Pilot, pirate. Pilot, pirate. Glass, grass. Glass, grass. Glass, grass. Cloud, crowd. Cloud, crowd. Cloud, crowd. Okay. Very good. Now that you already know the difference between the L sound and the R sound, next time that you encounter those words, make sure to use the appropriate sound. Okay, let's move on to our next topic for today. To check if you understand the difference between the L sound and the R sound, let's now answer our activity for today. Listen to each sentence and circle the word that you will hear. Let's begin. Number 1. That sentence is wrong. Wow, very good. The word is wrong. Number 2. Don't walk on the grass. Great. The word is grass. 3. He was a famous pilot. Way to go. The word is pilot. Number 4. I'm going to collect the homework. Wow, awesome. You heard it right. The word is collect. 5. I couldn't see because of the crowd. Good job. The word is crowd. Number 6. Did you take the right suitcase? Very good. The word is right. Wow, you did great. Now that we already have the answers with us, let's try to read the following sentences again, but now using the correct answers. Let's start with number 1. That sentence is wrong. Don't walk on the grass. He was a famous pilot. I'm going to collect the homework. I couldn't see because of the crowd. Did you take the right suitcase? Well done! Now guys, it's your turn to practice step 2 with a partner. Say each sentence by choosing a word from the word pair. Then your partner should point to the word that you will say. Okay, that will be all for today. Join me again in the next video as we continue our lesson about R sound, and we will talk about vocabulary and our dialogues. Okay, this has been your teacher Carol, always saying have fun while learning English. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now.